To install a BlastShield agent on a Raspberry Pi, first go to your Orchestrator and click on the Agents menu on the left. Then click the red Add New Agent button and give your new agent a name. And give it an optional DNS host name. Then click on the red Save and Download Invitation button. Choose the Save and Copy Linux macOS installation command to the clipboard option and click on it. Then open a terminal into your Raspberry Pi and paste that command which you just copied into the terminal and hit enter. That will start the software download and the installation. And when the process is complete, you'll see the installation successful confirmation displayed in the terminal. During this process, the agent will auto-register with this Orchestrator. So you can see the agent is up, and you can also verify that if you go back to the Orchestrator and check the status of the agent in the Orchestrator, and it'll say online. So that completes the process on installing the BlastShield agent in a Raspberry Pi.